Hey everybody, I've been asked to speak to you about Lehi's Fire Prevention Week. It is the week of October 10th from 5 to 8 p.m. at Station 81. This is an important week. This is a great time to meet your local fire department members and to learn about important fire safety tips. There'll be plenty of activities where there's going to be education stations, there's going to be a fire safety trailer, there'll be CERT information. And if you have a fire exit plan for your house, your family will be able to receive free hot dogs. Isn't that great? Okay, this year's Prevention Week campaign theme is Look, Listen, Learn, Be Aware. Fire can happen anywhere. It highlights some of the most basic but critical ways people can protect themselves from fire at home or anywhere else they may go. They asked me to read the proclamation for this week, and I'm happy to do so, but hang on. Whereas the City of Lehi is committed to ensuring the safety and security of all those living in and visiting Lehi, and whereas fire is a serious public safety concern, both locally and nationally, and homes are the locations where people are at the greatest risk from fire. And whereas home fires killed 2,735 people in the United States in 2016, according to the National Fire Protection Association, and fire departments in the United States responded to over 352,000 home fires. And whereas the majority of U.S. fire deaths occur at home each year, and whereas the fire death rate per 1,000 homes reported to U.S. fire departments was 10% higher in 2016, whereas residents should identify places in their home where fires can start and eliminate those hazards, and whereas working smoke alarms cut the risk of dying in reported home fires in half, and whereas Lehi's residents should install smoke alarms in every sleeping room outside each separate sleeping area and on every level of the home, and whereas residents should listen for the sound of the smoke alarm, and when it sounds, respond by going outside immediately to the designated meeting place. Whereas residents who have planned and practiced a home fire escape plan are more prepared and will therefore be more likely to survive a fire. And whereas first responders are dedicated to reducing the occurrence of home fires and home fire injuries through prevention and protection education. And whereas residents are responsive to public education measures and are able to take action to increase their safety from fire, especially in their homes. And whereas the 2018 Fire Prevention Week theme, Look, Listen, Learn, Be Aware, Fire Can Happen Anywhere, effectively serves to remind us that we need to take personal steps to increase our safety from fire. Therefore, I, Mark Johnson, Mayor of Lehi, do hereby proclaim October 7th through the 13th, 2018 as Fire Prevention Week throughout this city, and I urge all people of Lehi to be aware of their surroundings. Look for available ways out in the event of a fire and other emergencies. Respond when the smoke alarm sounds by exiting the building immediately, and to support the many public safety activities and efforts of Lehi's Fire and Emergency Services during Fire Prevention Week 2018.